Hi everyone. This release video will be about the Lamborghini Revuelto, the flagship of the luxury car class. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a mid-engined hybrid sports car, produced by the Italian automaker Lamborghini. It was officially unveiled on March 29, 2023 as a replacement for the Aventador. The machine will be put into production in the spring of 2023, and the delivery of the main units is expected in the last quarter of 2023. According to the manufacturer's naming tradition, the name Revuelto refers to the name of a bull that existed in Spain in 1880. This is the brand's first vehicle to use a modular hybrid drive system. 2024 marks the debut of the new Lamborghini Revuelto hybrid car. Better start saving your pennies now, because if you're looking for a 1001 horsepower Lambo FEV, it won't come cheap. This is due to the crazy costs of creation, as well as using the latest cutting-edge innovations in the field of supercars. Lamborghini is still unable to provide the initial cost of the Revuelto. However, car experts have estimated that it will be well above the price of the Aventador, at roughly $507,000. That's why Lamborghini didn't come cheap in building a sinister hybrid supercar. It is also the tallest of the modules, beating the 986 horsepower Ferrari SF90 Stradale from the top position. We haven't tried the Revuelto at the moment, but Lamborghini claims it can hit 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, and reach a top speed of over 217 miles per hour. Look at the new Lamborghini Revuelto as a blend of styles from years ago. There are many gestures in the past, but unlike any bull before it, the Revuelto is a mix of modules. Its mid-mounted V12 finds support from two electric motors on the front axle, and a single motor mounted to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic for a total output of 1001 horsepower. While this may make some perfectionists howl, Lamborghini guarantees that paying extra will only enhance the supercar experience. There are only 2 seats in the Revuelto, given the fact that the Italians did put 12 cylinders where the rear seats used to be. The Revuelto is no ordinary vehicle. Its cabin looks more like a spaceship than a vehicle. There are 4 rotors on the steering wheel that control driving modes, while additional mounts turn on the turn signals, and trigger the shutdown control. Lamborghini says the Revuelto has more head and leg room than the Aventador, which shouldn't be a problem. Behind the seats there is room to fit 1 golf bag, as well as headroom that can oblige 2 lightweight gear packs without too much strain. Starting with Miura, Lamborghini has just delivered 5 mid-engined V12 stock cars: Miura, Countach, Diablo, Murcielago, and Aventador. Lamborghini used a V12 engine similar to the 350 GT, until the second era of the engine was introduced in the Aventador. As a hybrid, the new Revuelto was always meant to be heavier than the Aventador. However, Lamborghini has gone to great lengths to keep the effect limited. It features an all-new carbon fiber front subframe, that is 20% lighter than the aluminium frame used in the Aventador. It is also 20% stiffer. Lamborghini did not list the Revuelto's weight, but did state that it has the ability to weigh 1.75 kilograms per horsepower. A few quick calculations show that it should weigh around 1,780 kilograms, about 250 kilograms more than the Aventador. The Revuelto is nothing like other Lamborghinis in that much of its connection point is computerized. The 8.4-inch infotainment touchscreen handles a good deal of the car's controls, including environmental capabilities, but at the same time, there's a 9.1-inch screen on the passenger side that shows everything that might be within reach, such as to activate motion distribution, speed, drive and forced movement. The third 12.3-inch display is responsible for the control group. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. We hope that this amazing car will breathe new life and strength into the Lamborghini brand, and we believe that the Italians will work on even stronger and more innovative brands. If you want to know about these and other new, attractive, mysterious cars, subscribe to our channel and follow us.